This is bonsai material from the Reicha religiosa, or water jasmine tree. Small bonsai, the process of creating a small bonsai. Pruning the trunk to a balanced shape, from the first branch, the back branch, and the main trunk to the crown. Cut the main trunk that is balanced enough to be made into a mini bonsai or shutyu bonsai, and this is the desired bonsai frame shape. Continue cutting back branches. Apply cambium ointment to cover wounds on the trunk to prevent insects and fungi which cause rotting of the tree trunk.